Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X3 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access Display and Brightness. Following that, scroll all the way down, tap on Screen Refresh Rate, and click on the best one for you. In my case, Standard. So when I click and go back, I can see that screen refresh rate of my OPPO has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!